Namaste everyone, this is Shubham Manson. Welcome to my channel Know My Work. Today I am going to talk about a headphone which you can see around my neck right now. This product is offered under the brand Infinity, which is owned by company Harman, which also owns the brand JBL. The name of this headphone is Infinity Glide 510, which is latest in the series. The predecessors of this headphone are Infinity Glide 500 and Infinity Glide 501. I bought these headphones last month in September 2020 and I'm using since then, which is about 5 weeks. I bought this headphone for a price tag of rupees 1899. So this is the box or packaging in which I got this headphone. And apart from this headphone, I also got this charging cable in this box, which is not of a very good quality, but it do serves the purpose. So I will start with the specs and features of this headphone, followed by my experience with this headphone. So as you can see, this is a wireless headphone. It comes with Bluetooth fire. So the first feature of this headphone is it supports or it comes with Bluetooth 5.0. So you can connect it to any device which supports Bluetooth. But it doesn't bear any headphone jack, so you can't connect to a device using a wire. So if you're a person who is looking for a wireless headphone, which can be connected to Bluetooth, this is for you. But if you're also looking for a headphone which also can be connected through a wire, this is not for you. Second, the second feature of this headphone is the weight of this headphone is just 114 grams, 114 grams. So once you put them on your head, they feel very light and it doesn't put a lot of weight on your head. Third, it is a foldable headphone. So once you are done using them, it is not going to take a lot of your desk space. Fourth, they have sliders on both the sides. So you can adjust this headphone according to your head size, and it will. So it is recommended that you make use of this if you own this product or you are going to own this product. You make you own use of the sliders to adjust it according to your head size, which will add to your comfort. Fifth, it has a built-in microphone, so it makes it suitable for making calls. Sixth, it doesn't has like it is like it is not like a feature, but it's like it doesn't have a feature of active noise cancellation. So if you are looking to use this headphone in a noisy environment, it is not going to give you a very good result. Seventh, it comes in three color variants: black, blue, and red. This is a blue variant. Eighth, it supports two modes: normal mode and bass mode. So what are those? So like if you are listening to a song and you want to add more bass to a song, you can switch the mode from normal to the bass mode, which will add more bass to your song. So to switch to bass or normal mode, you just have to press both the volume buttons simultaneously for 2 seconds, and it will switch the mode from normal to bass and vice versa. Ninth, which ninth feature or which is more of an information, uh, the uh, the country of origin of this product is China. So if you're a person like me who is living in India and who's trying not to buy a product made in China, this product is not for you. And let me also give you the reason like why I'm focusing on the country of origin is that in India we are trying to lower our dependence on China in terms of the products that we buy. So we are just looking. We are like if a person falling into a category who is trying to not to buy a Chinese product or a product made in China, this is not for. Now moving on to my experience with this headphone. So as I said, I am using this headphone for about 5 weeks, and I will say that I am satisfied with this headphone because I work in the IT industry and I work in a separate room which doesn't have a lot of noise. So the lack of active noise cancellation was never a problem for me, and I never heard of a complaint from any of the opposite parties in the calls. But if you're a person who is looking to use, as I said, who is looking to use it outside or in a noisy environment, it might not work as good as for you. Second, the as I said, the USP of this product is 72 hours playback time, and I personally verified it. So initially, when I got this headphone, I used them without charging it in again for about 3 weeks, and I used it for an average 3 hours daily. So if you multiply 3 weeks, which is equal to 21 days by 3 hours, it is comes to 663 hours, which is close to the claim of 72 hours. And third is like they are very lightweight, so uh, they feel very light on my head. So these are my good experiences with this headphone. Now moving on to the bad experience or the con of this headphone is it like if you are going to use it for a long period of time, it is going to like you are going to feel a little pain around your ears. So you can compensate them if you make use of the sliders provided in this headphone to adjust it according to your head size. It will reduce some pain, but yeah, if you are going to use it for a longer period of time, it is going to pain. It is going to if you are going to pain you are going to feel a little pain around your ears. Second is second bad experience that I don't know whether this is a problem with my headphone or this is a common problem. Like while I was charging these headphones, uh, the light didn't change from red to green. So I was not able to recognize whether my headphone is fully charged or not. So as I said, I don't know whether this is just a problem with my headphone or it is common across all the products. And third con, which is related to the person who is going to use it, is it is made in China. So thank you everyone. These are the specs and my experience with this headphone. So if you're a normal user who is just looking for a headphone for making daily calls and listening to normal calls, listening to normal songs and is looking for a headphone under the price tag of rupees 2000, this product is for you. I must say that this is a good quality product for the normal usage, and you should buy it. And like also I heard some people talking saying that the because this is a total plastic, this product is made of plastic, it kind of feels cheap, but like even if it is plastic, it doesn't feel cheap. It is a really good quality product. And as I mentioned, if you're a normal user and is looking to buy a product under rupees 2000, this is a product for you. Thank you everyone. If you liked my video, if you like the content of my video, please do like it and share it with your friends. And in the next video, just to give you an idea what I'm going to talk about in the next video is Amazon Amazon's Fire TV stick. I also bought this recently, and I'm going to talk in detail about this product in the next video. This is a 2019 edition, and if you know, a 2000 edition has also come into the market. So in the next video, I'm going to talk in detail about the Fire TV stick, both 2019 edition and 2020 edition. Thank you.